It's day 5 of the partial government shutdown, and lawmakers, well, they're not even in our nation's capital. They're on recess. Many employees at the Department of Homeland Security, however, are still working without pay, while both parties dig in, leaving doubts that a deal can be reached anytime soon. Joining me now, Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul. Attorney General, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Of course. You filed a lawsuit last month against the DHS and the Trump administration over ICE and their tactics in this state, in Illinois. Where does that lawsuit stand now?
It's still pending. We're going to litigate it. We're going to go through discovery, and we will see where it takes us. But it'll be a process, a long process.
As I mentioned, we're now in day 5 of the partial government shutdown. As you know this, for our viewers, Democrats are demanding reforms to ICE. This is the big contention when it comes to this. House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries says they should be required before ICE can go into people's homes. DHS is arguing that people who are in this country illegally don't have the same rights as U.S. citizens. So what rights do they have, sir?
They have Fourth Amendment rights, just like U.S. citizens. And we have to understand the tactics that are being used by ICE are not only being used against immigrants, undocumented immigrants, but they're also being used against U.S. citizens. The homes that are being entered into with these administrative warrants instead of a judicial warrant, the arrests that are being made on the streets, the people who are being asked for identification with no probable cause to think that they've done anything wrong. We're not supposed to be living in a military state. Our Constitution protects against these violations against illegal searches.
We had House Majority Whip Tim Emmer on our network last night. He spoke to our Katie Pavlich. He said a number of the demands from Democrats just don't make sense. Here's a little bit of what he said.
The criminals can wear masks, but these guys have to expose themselves and put their person, and their families at risk, because you got these people doxing them everywhere, outing who they are and where they live. They want them to show identification, which is pretty intellectually inconsistent when you hear the same Democrats saying that voters shouldn't have to show identification, but apparently federal law enforcement should.
I mean, there is a point about masks and criminals wearing them, but what is your take? Do you have a problem with ICE officers wearing these masks and covering their faces?
I do. The standard, no matter what state you're in, for law enforcement is for law enforcement to not have their faces masked, and for their identification of who they are to be on their uniform. And so this is not something that's unusual to law enforcement. It's something that is standard. And this new approach to have ICE law enforcement agents wearing masks is the unusual, and so this notion of comparing it to what criminals do, well, law enforcement shouldn't be doing what criminals do.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.